good. Okay. Damn, 4 minutes late. 4 minutes late. Okay. Oh no. It's not cool. It's not fun. Oh, private, damn. It's private. Technical issues. Public. Damn it. Everyone. Ah, shit, not Kuroko. Not Kuroko, what the fuck? Yeah. Let's everyone that. Hello. عليكم السلام. حسين سوا. Red. Circle. طيب now. Okay. خلاص كنت على راسي. Hello everyone. Yeah, let's put this here. It's better. Yep, that's cool. 6 minutes delay. 6 minutes delay. Yo, what's up? امتحانات مرة ايه محمد امتحانات مرة توفيق ذيك ثمانية توفيق good luck man. Okay, all is good. All is good I guess. نخلي plug كده chat in here. Yes, hopefully that works. Yep. Beautiful. Okay. هنا l'exercice 43 et continue شوف we can remove forget the cam. So 5 minutes delay. Hope everyone gets the hang of it. Okay, I guess I can start. Okay, a basket of fruits هذا problem hash maps. طبعا احنا نعتبره rustlings هو ماها الويب سايت يحدد معي انا فتح فيه current row غير يعني فيديوهات خطأ كاملين ما متعقد الإنسان. نشوف وش فيه. Okay, a basket of fruits in the form of a hash map needs to be defined. The key represents the name and the fruits, and the value represents how many of that particular fruit is in the basket. We have to put at least 3 different types of fruits: apple, banana, mango in the basket. The total found of all the fruits should be at least 5. Hi for call. Okay. For call, that's what fun is one. Yes. I keep looking your name. That's so bad. Anyways. Hopefully it's not hearable. Okay, what is our to do? Declare the hash map to none is already given for you. Okay, so insert. أنا عندي مشكلة هنا يا فيلم. عندي مشكلة هنا في الفيلم okay, let's try. In them for Rust. Ah, okay, this is it. I don't want to أنا عندي اسمه something called conform عندي conform bookings maybe it's with it's not enabled. Enable that. What I'm gonna do is simply config against modules. عملنا مرة واحدة. conform. Okay. يعطيك. Okay, conform is the formatter. But I want and I have okay in game for looking up definitions for standard library library and go to different project. For Rust. Like Rust tools. Charges okay. If you are starting out with us in between LSP, it provides the most common denominator of LSP support this plugin, okay. And I'm trying to get yeah, looking up definitions because بيلي نحتاج نعرف insert شنو هي signature. okay تباص على second parameter. I understand من second parameter من هذا عنها شنو قالوا اسمه it's getting. I'll fix it offline. Now let's just go. Let's just continue. Okay, the exercise اللي هو okay, we're inserting 2 bananas and put more fruits in a basket. Okay. The basket of fruits in the form of hash map needs to be defined. But okay, the key represents the name of the fruit, and the value represents how many of that particular fruit is in the basket. We have to put at least 3 different types of fruits: apples, bananas, mangoes in the basket in the total. Count. Ah, okay, should be at least 5. Okay, let's for example put one mango, one apple. Okay. Um. Ah. It's not here. Let's mint basket hash map. I guess I can define it this way. Okay. String. Okay. That's the value map. Stupid me. طبعا it insert the key and the value. I was being stupid. Okay, هذا اللي تعطيه default. I can, yeah, okay. I have seen default before. Does this make sense? Does this make sense? Let's see, use instead of. I don't think this works. Doesn't. Anyways, I can do as they told me though. My hero, my hero. Guess so. And I think مولعاني قد عندكم سر. That's so stupid. This works. That works. But it's ugly. This is ugly as well. Initialize. I have the book. Let me get the book. Rust. 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 What is called? Rust what? Rustling.org. Hash. Yes. Oh, okay. And just do this. It gets it. Yeah, it gets it. Okay. At least 5 fruits. Okay. And just put in here 2 apples. And we're ready to go. Yeah. شو comment ça fait هنا hash map 1. Hey, am I getting chat though? Okay. Ufa, you're here. Oh, sorry, one value. Is it okay to call you by your name? I don't even know. Um, so I did pretty much the same. Yeah, my issue was just this one. Okay, this looks fine. This looks fine. Now for hatch map 2. One vanilla, you're here. Do you hear me though?
Can you hear me?
Let me check. Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Guess my voice
Can
is
you hear me?
okay. I'm the one that's not hearing anything. Where am I? That's so stupid.
Hello.
Sorry, did you talk?
Hello, can you hear me?
Ah, okay, good. It's good. So that's
Okay, good.
Yeah,
No?
I thought that this works, that I didn't hear you.
Okay.
So
I started, but I'm behind you. My progress is 14. You know?
okay, cool. You started with rustlings.
Yeah, I start with rustlings and in the if statement.
Okay, cool. You'll get right. The first ones are very easy for someone who already codes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me when you catch up. Here I'll be continuing. I'll be continuing those. Tell me when you reach me.
Okay.
Or when you have any question about anything from the ones you're dealing with.
Okay.
And fruits. And fruits like delicious fruit cake. For this we have a basket which we will represent in the form of hash map. The key represents the name of each fruit we collect, and the value represents how many of that particular fruit we collect. Three types of fruits: apple, mango, and lychee. Before. Already in the hash map, in the basket hash map, you must add a fruit in the basket so that there is at least one of each kind in more than 11 in total. We have a lot of mouths to feed. Okay. You are not allowed to insert any more of the fruits that are already in the basket. Okay. this one. Fruit. Okay, we got insert. Okay. Okay. I can do like this basket dot entry fruit or insert one. Yep. I believe that will make it. Yep. Okay. Hash map 3. Okay. Exactly what I've done. Nice. Did they require 5 though? Yeah, they already got. Yeah, that works. Okay, a list of scores one per line of a soccer match is given. Each line of the form, team 1, team 2. Okay. Oh yeah, England, France for 2. England scored 4 goals, France 2. Okay, we have to build a score table containing the name of the team, the total number of goals the team scored, and the total number of goals the team conceded. Okay. A structure to store the goal details of a team. Okay. The name of the team is the key, and associated struct is a value. But what does that word mean? Why so? Isn't that's weird. Split iterator. Okay. Team 1, team 2, team 1 score, team 2 score. Update the score table with expected details. In mind that the goal scored by team 1 the big number but conceded by team 2. So okay. So here we will just simply insert try to get it first. Team money. And if I get it, team would score. Else, if it doesn't exist, I'll just insert a team name, team score of goal score to be goal scores to be score to be team 1 score, goals considered to be team 1, team 2 score. Yeah. Excuse me. Ah, they want me to do that. Okay, I will cheat a bit. I'll do a little bit of cheating. Some team match have incompatible type. What? Excuse me. Ah, That works, but I don't know why. Okay, so this simply is T1, but let's close start. All right. Oh, this seems to be really bad. I should pass it as a reference instead of that's what I'm understanding. Well, let's do something like this. See what happens. Ah, yes. Okay. One scar goes past the, yeah. So that looks okay. And I should repeat this for rev T1, rev T1. Okay. And I'll get this, put it here again, and replace T1 by T2. score two.
عليكم.
أي سلام. comment ça va avec le buzz.
الحمد لله so far so good. عايشين الجوع الانهيار للجبر صاحبي.
الجبر عندك الصبح قلت أنا.
No, and actually لا فستيل تعرف the first 2 days are languages, but I'm currently suffering with I'm actually suffering with everything and anything because I don't study enough وأنا ما نتوعى. So يا غير صح إني نذرت إليه صوما بالله وحق كتابه ما تخطى بي شي.
عادي عادي. keep
يا
pushing.
أخي والله ما نحش.
no ما بالك.
Yo, Aziz, I have a question for you, bossman.
Mhm.
هو نيوفيم text editor.
Mhm.
Now, أنت comment installي فيه the packs. والله bon, it's actually I can find a YouTube tutorial or ask ChatGPT, but I'm actually wondering what makes it special for you than others.
For one thing, بيلي في ترمينال أنا ياس من مرة نعدلهم في ترمينال.
Oh,
أوكي. so أنا literally أنا وردتين شغال في ذات ترمينال والله براوزر. غالبية الأمور مش
like
شغال.
the whole apps, the whole softwares you got كاملين على terminal.
Yeah, largely.
Damn.
Largely terminal tools. It's more efficient. It's a lot more efficient.
It exhausts the PC less.
Yes, sure, PD. It's literally text. Way less.
Damn. Now, a better question is I actually have got the hang of this question, but I still don't find it pretty satisfactory. Like, okay, so we largely use Java and JavaScript for making games and stuff, and then there is Python that you can pretty much make everything and anything with. What do we use Haskell and Go for? And yeah.
لا languages كت الآخرين كيفاش؟ لا languages عندهم التركيز. كلهم يتخشوا بسايت ودور يقول لك مني شغالهم. جو دور يقول لك عن انفراستركتير جوجل ياسر منها موبيلتي عليه. كلاودهم ياسر منها موبيلتي عليه. موبيلتي بجو.
Haskell languages. Haskell purpose, statically typed, purely functional programming with type inference and lazy evaluation. Haskell pioneered several programming language features, including type classes for type safe operator overloading and BS basically. Tahallah.
Not BS. This is science يا صاحبي. Careful.
Well, it's
Careful.
not BS. My understanding of it is Haskell.
هاسكل تشبه اسم كريتيك عنها. It's too formal, too زاد, too academic of a language. غير يشغلوا
Ah,
ياس من الناس يشغلوا
any math involved?
حتى ياس البوي من math. It's literally
Damn.
math. Literally. هي notorious
Now
قاعد هذيك بارتي عنها. It's
it's
too يقبوا
mathematical.
كلمات من مات ديريكت عنها. ياسر من الستركترز اللي فيها قابلينهم.
Bounded, real, enum, fractional, real frac, floating, integral, monad, real float,
ايوه ديك موناد اللي
functor.
تخطيت. ديك موناد
Uh-huh.
ذيك رواية.
Damn. I still got a lot to learn.
موناد it's a crazy thing. But that's another story.
ويموت زر إن الحياة ذميمة ويا نفس جدي إن دهرك هازل. صح الله. Just thinking about it is espresso depresso. Nonetheless,
I think that that's enough.
yo, by the way, the other day you mentioned making La ilaha Muhammad Rasulullah. Rate my professor.
Um, England and the sixth
What?
one. That is, I should have done that myself, right? Right? No. إيش قلت? Yeah.
I was thinking about making a rate my professor, but in a more explicit way, you know? As in, no restrictions. Well, there is restrictions, but you know.
لا رأسك عاقل.
Mhm. Eh bon, if this is on YouTube, I'm no longer gonna make it because this is an evidence. Mais généralement, if I was to make it, I'm gonna make something that makes a mess.
Be careful.
صحيح صحيح. Th- That that Sibrania convocation is not funny.
True.
Nonetheless, I'll leave you to it صديقي لا تنسى مصالح الدعاء.
الله يحفظك إن شاء الله.
You have a great evening.
You too. Yeah, look at me. Look at me. I'm being Rust coder. Ah, shit. Here we go again. Um, what the hell? What the hell? Um, goals, sport. Yeah, like that's unique enough, but can I just put this here? What's that looking? Okay, output 6. We are cooking, that's right. What's the issue? What's the issue يا جماعة? What's the problem?
I can't help you. At 23 now.
You're at 23.
Yeah.
Cool.
In the vectors.
That's great. Okay. We got 2 here. We got 4 and 2 here, which makes up 4. But I got myself 3. Why? Why so? Ah, stupid me. I'm very stupid. Okay. Yeah. It's true. Hi, friend. Ah, yes. It's from this. Yes. 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 I guess this should make it. Yeah, exercise done. But my rust sucks. I should fix these things. Why? Why so? Do you think I should learn Python if I've learned several frameworks? What do you mean you've learned several frameworks? What do you mean swag? Ah, okay, I see, because this is the last call, so I can just give it. Yeah, sure. Yes, sure. Since you use, my understanding is that you use Flask and Fast API without actually having a comfortable mastery of Python, the language itself. So of course, investing in learning the language deeply is very beneficial to you and will permit you to have a better understanding of how these frameworks work. Okay, for sure. Okay, now let's see how they solve the thing HashMap 3. My Rust is very rusty.
Sheet as well. I'm gonna get a hint.
You're getting a hint. Which problems are you on?
And now it's the vectors. 02, I think. Yeah, vectors 2.
Vectors 2. Let me check that.
So like they created an empty vector and they want to push a new elements to it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. the method for it is dot push. You should look up that. Normally, you should look that up in the book. Okay. It's actually
Which segment in the book?
just look up vectors, I guess.
Okay.
Common collections vectors. This is the part about vectors, and yeah, it has a method dot push. Just the usual method, like C++, I guess, and Python as well. No, Python is dot append. So far, I didn't take hints. I didn't consume any hints so far, so I don't know.
I mean, the hint itself, I don't know if it's useful.
It's useful. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's push. Okay.
Yeah, that push. I guessed it myself. I tried it and it worked for no reason. Thanks, my friend. But okay, you're 14 years old. That's good. Kudos to you. Good luck. We still have the time. But keep going. Don't take that as an excuse. Fine. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. I see. Ah. Let me see our default here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so actually I could have just done no. Yeah, this is so bad. Let's try to do it the right way. So the right way will be getting it first. And then for defaulting it. And then setting the score to be score equals score plus equal to T1 score equals considered to be T1, T2 score. Okay, I'm repeating this here. Substituting 1, 2, T2. Yep. That's it. It's not it. That's it. And adding semicolons in the appropriate places. And yeah. Yeah. Maybe mallets here. Mallets, their places. What? Okay. Okay. This should work as well. Beautiful. Now the next one, which is quiz. Okay, this is a quiz. for the following sections: strings, vectors, move semantics. So you have done already your first quiz.
Into me or someone else?
You've done your first quiz, Vanilla.
Ah, yes, I did. I thought you were talking to the comments.
Yeah. I was stuck.
Yeah. I done the first quiz.
Okay.
Yeah, well, how many quizzes have you done so far?
This is my second now. This is a quiz for the following sections: strings, facts, move semantics, models, and anons. Let's build a little machine in the form of a function. As an input, we're going to give a list of strings and commands. These commands determine what action is going to be applied to the string. It can either be uppercase the string to string, append bar to the string a specified amount of times. The exact form of this will be the input is going to be a factor of two length tuples. The first element is the string, the second one is the command. Hope I didn't hit an hour. It's an hour and I'm black. First element is the string, the second one is the command. The output is the element. The output element is going to be a vector of strings. Okay. Okay.
Two. Mm.
Nice. Nine for each of our seconds, which is of type vector strings, and I'll look over input, which will be exactly command and
think
yes,
the error in the terminal can help you.
yes, definitely. That's the compiler.
Yeah. Okay.
As much as I like Neo of him, I'll module name, which is just Rust. Let's add this to our custom.
Okay. arteries intersperse. This is the weirdest thing ever. Unstable. Ah, there is a repeat thing. The line does bar repeat amount. This works, right? Beautiful. And that is done. Option. Just to do it, yeah, same as I did. That's so same. That's so same. Good brush. Good. Here's Trini. Brush. Okay, this is better. Nice. Okay, nice. Pause. نوقف شوي. I'm coming back. Okay. Because that's المغرب.
Also, not far from us.
Huh?
We pray Maghrib around 10 p.m.
Ah, okay. originate نرجع صوت بعد شوي بعد تصل المغرب.
Okay.
See.
So,
Let's get back to business.
Come back.
You're back as well.
Yeah.
Okay, great. What did you reach to now? What level are you on?
Level 30. Almost done with it.
You're almost you almost reached me. Okay, great. That's awesome.
What are you?
I'm 47.
47. Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so this function returns how much ice cream there is left in the fridge. If before 22, then 5 scoops are left. At 22, someone eats it all. So no ice cream is left. What's going on if our effort rate is higher than 23?
Unit. Mm, Okay. Do something.
the issue here. Where is the bug? How do you find coding Rust so far?
It's new. But
It's-
also it's I don't know, but you know, like these exercises are very basic. I don't know the power of Rust so far, but it's
Uh-huh.
fun. Yeah. How about you? How do you
Yeah,
find it?
the levels that you have done that I've done so far, the only tricky thing that I found is the chapter move semantics. Have you reached it? The move semantics.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, that's something new because it's not in any other language. It enforces you to a variable cannot be when you pass a variable to a function, the function immediately owns it. You cannot use the variable after that.
Yeah, it's for me it's a new concept, but isn't it similar or doesn't it exist in Golang or
Nope, no, not any other language that I'm aware of. It's only in Rust. This one. It's, considering that I've coded in Python in Python or I mean any other language that I've seen. I don't think this one is. I think it's the particularity of Rust. It's the thing called Barav Shakar. The Barav Shakar. It's the concept that it is new in Rust. See, yeah. Even looking it up on the internet, there is only Rust that has this thing.
guarantee memory safety? Oh.
Yeah, it's the part that guarantees memory safety because you cannot have a pointer everywhere. It's limited the places that you can pass a variable. Not any place a variable cannot be used in any place. It's very restricted where you can use a variable.
So it doesn't require a garbage collector.
Yeah, exactly.
And interesting. That's really cool.
So that's one thing. I think it's the only thing new that I found till now. Otherwise, there is a lot of cool syntactic sugar. The struct part. Have you reached the struct? I don't know.
Yes.
Structs.
I am now at structs 2.
Ah, okay, cool. Cool.
The only new thing is which I haven't even got yet. It's the unit structs.
Uh-huh.
Or just
Where you have just the what is it called?
Just a class. There's
Yeah,
nothing
exactly.
declared.
Yeah, it's a kind of a pattern, like yeah, it's a struct without any data with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. Why do you need this?
Yeah.
I see. Well, that's actually an interesting question. Why? What is it called? Unit struct. Yeah. Use cases.
It says here you can also define structs that don't have any fields. These are called unit-like structs because they have similar to null parentheses. The unit type that we mentioned in the tuple type section can be useful when you need to implement a trait on some types but don't have any data that you want to store in.
Ah, okay. I see. That makes sense.
Always
You want something that is a common parent, but common parent doesn't have any particular data. You just some kind of annotation.
Interesting. I think we're gonna see how this is useful in chapter 10. So, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that is so cool.
Okay. Option 2. You know, one thing I like this strategy of learning. That you maybe strategy is not the best word, but learning by doing these kind of exercises that you along the way you learn the language with these tiny exercises, the tiny incremental exercises.
You know that I was not aware of rustlings. What I was doing is that I just like read the book and I'm using a cloud code like to give me exercises.
Okay.
I didn't, yeah. So when you mentioned it, I was like, yeah, I should have checked the website.
Oh yeah, I have the place where I've seen rustlings. There is a guide video on how to learn Rust. It's actually pretty good. Let me tag you to it. Yeah, I have mentioned it in the programming channel. I found it last night, or I think last night, I guess. Last night, yeah, exactly. And it mentioned the book and rustlings. So far, I have not read the book because it's really long, because it's 600 something pages. But I will check it later. But for now, I will just go with the rustlings. The video mentioned he recommended how to learn Rust. See, and rustlings and the book, and alongside with another resource that I don't remember were his recommendations.
This is like really fun way to do it, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
It's not boring.
Yeah, yeah. And it's a practical way of doing it because you are not just reading something and you think you understand it. You are actually you're doing it, and that way you will not easily forget it. You have you will remember in particular the syntax, any syntax of you cannot just learn it by looking at it. You need to code in it to remember the syntax and how to exactly code. Okay.
Yeah.
For sure. I think you are doing that with Claude, but
Yeah, but it wasn't efficient, you know, because this one is more efficient because it's inspired by the book, you know?
yeah.
And it's following the chapters, even though like I was following the chapters and doing hello words and things, but it wasn't, I don't think it was pragmatic. And it like, I don't know. Also, like, there wasn't a way to check whether it was correct or not. This one has already checks it for you. And
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, you can check the compiler errors and see what, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I was thinking of building something like this, of doing something like this for learning other stuff, you know, because
Mm.
this kind of learning, I've learned actually, back in the day, I used to learn Python this way. There is an app called Solo Learn. I don't know if you've seen it. This is
Mm.
like back in I think 2017. I
No, I have not seen this one.
Yeah, this one is very similar to the way rustlings does learning. This one it gives you a small new idea, and then it gives you right after it a problem to solve with that idea, or an exercise to do. So that way you actually learn it by doing it. Okay. But rustling is way more efficient because you're actually coding. You have a code that you are debugging and trying your ideas. And
Mm.
yeah, I was thinking of whether this is whether can this kind of learning can be done to other topics that you are interested in, that one is interested in learning. See.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Um, because I think you told me that you're learning Golang. Do you find it difficult, like mixing the two, trying to learn both, or you feel now comfortable with
Golang,
Golang?
Golang. I've done a fair amount of it because Golang actually, I had a project working on it for work. I can show you some it. I can show a bit of it here. This is a project that I was working on, that I was coding in Golang. Golang, I wasn't just learning it. To be fair, I actually have a project that I'm coding in Golang, and this was like 1 year ago or something, 2 years ago. Let me check the Git log.
Was this for your, is it an internship or like?
It's not for an internship. I have I work in a cyber security consulting startup, let's say,
Okay.
and it's just me and my friend, and we have this project. Do you know about? You have told me. Actually, it's the first time I talked to you on the group uh, about burp speed. You told me that you have done some security.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so this project is actually trying to do, burp speed is written in Java. It's closed source.
Mhm.
It's very heavy. So the idea was just to build something that is equivalent to burp speed, or has the core most important functionalities, and also very fast. Okay, and that's why we chosen Golang to build. We chosen Golang because one, it's productive and easy to learn. Golang is actually way much easier than Rust, let's say. It's actually very easy to learn. It's like very simple. And so yeah, that was the idea. This is like the first comment here is but I believe this goes way before this. Yeah, I guess couple of months before this. This was 2025 in May last year, exactly last year, the 17th
Um,
May 2025.
but I
Um,
think if I remember correctly, you were telling me that it's
yeah,
gonna come out soon or something
yeah,
like
yeah.
that.
We stopped with development since a long time also, since
Why?
there was some financial issues, there was some, but hopefully
Uh,
we're getting back to it soon. But let me
okay.
show you actually. Let me show you the project. It's actually working. This is it. Oh, okay. This is an experimental AI thing. But
Hello.
this is a nothing page. But you see, have you used Burp Suite?
Also, yes, I have. But why is it called Salam AI? Or I'm
Ah,
confused.
yeah, that's a bad naming choice from my friend, not me. But he thinks it's a good name. Selma, it's not Salam.
Okay,
And
sorry.
Selma. Selma is he justified it by saying that it is for security, like safe in security, being safe in security. See, Selma.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, that's the justification, but I don't agree with the name. But anyways, it's so this is the thing. This is a pursuit we have. You have the history and the request, HTTP request
Yeah.
and response. You see, so this is the thing. Two layouts for this. This is should be a long list. Here you configure your proxy. I guess it should be working now. Let me do something. Let me let me get to google.com.
I think if you build like if you guys finish it
Yeah.
and you put it into production, I can introduce it or tell the security team about it in my company,
That would
promote
be
it
really
there
great. That would be
because
great.
I was
Uh,
I don't have a cybersecurity background,
uh-huh.
but like I attended like some weekly sessions there, and they were using burp suit,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I tried it. Yeah, I tried the board a poor swinger, I think, and I was just like doing some exercises on it. I downloaded burp suit, and I was like, it it's a the user interface is kind of old, or
Yeah,
it gives me an
exactly.
impression.
It's super old. It's
Yeah.
even yeah. Yeah, so that's also one thing. We're trying to make this like very so that the user can customize it to the maximum. They can make it their own, can change every the theme, every style of it. So you see, it's I will make we want to make it very customizable so that every user can have his own flavor of it themselves.
That's very
So
interesting. I mean, this is a great project. Like, you should really finish it, you
yeah,
guys.
yeah, and there is no like there is really few what is it? By the way, this is done before this cloud thing. I did this by hand, even if it's last year. Even if it's last year, but I didn't get the AI to do something useful for me. Barely, the AI barely. To be fair, Claude did help me in something here, but it's not so something major. I believe if I use the current AI capabilities with it, we will finish it very soon.
Mm.
Yeah.
That's actually very impressive.
So this is the Go project that I told you about. This is the backend here. It's a desktop app, of course. The backend is written in Go. The proxy itself, the proxy mechanism that listens to the HTTP request and send it to the front end and save it to the database, etc., etc. And the front end is written with what is it? Svelte get front
With
end.
what?
Svelte.
What is that?
Svelte, have you heard of Svelte? It's a web framework. It's just like React, but I find it easier than React. I don't use React
Wait, for framework for what? Which
for web.
language?
It's a web framework like React.
Okay.
Have you normally you have heard of React.js?
But React is like for JavaScript.
Yeah, yeah, and Svelte is for JavaScript. This is done not with completely Go. This is done with. Have you heard of Electron? This is done with web
Uh,
frameworks. You see, the backend is Go, and the front end, the UI that you have seen is
JavaScript.
actually. Sorry.
Yeah, so the framework for the front end is JavaScript using
Exactly.
the Svelte
Exactly.
framework. Okay.
Exactly. This is JavaScript. What you see here, the UI is JavaScript. Is done with
Okay.
Svelte, with web technologies.
Mhm.
Svelte, Tailwind, whatever.
I think it's always a good mix where, like for example, when I'm building a web app or
Uh-huh.
an application, I would use like Python for the backend and any JavaScript framework for the front end. It's a good mix.
Yes, yes, and it's very, very productive because it has a huge community. You can build stuff very rapidly, and you will get
You
also a
guys,
beautiful UI in the end because web is very,
exactly.
yeah. Otherwise,
You
you'll
guys
get an
need to,
ugly.
you guys need to finish this project. I mean, like, because I think that the next coming months and years, cybersecurity is going to be super important. If you guys can finish this project,
Yeah, and we
it
wanted to
will,
integrate an AI part of it. I stopped it exactly that part in that you see AI something here. It's gonna be having also agents doing this integrated in it. So that's also
you gotta
a
finish it.
selling part in it. Huh?
It is a selling point. Like I can see the potential in this project.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
actually, the way the why we initially did it because we do cybersecurity. We know that we need this. Using burp is not easy. It's not also just our opinion. Everyone knows it. That burp is very heavy, unnecessarily very heavy because it's built with Java. There is also another alternative, but it's not that good as well. There is a one called Kaido came to replace burp, but the UI I still see that the UI is very bad. You see the UI bad. The
I mean, it's
from
better than
than
Burp.
burp, but yeah, I don't think at all. This is not a 2026 UI. This is really like
No, definitely not.
yeah, exactly. So
But in comparison to Burp,
burp, yeah,
this is
yeah. Even our UI, I want to improve it so much. I I um I want to do a lot more improvements. I want it to be something very active and modern and yeah,
but
it's
remember
good
to
to
keep it
use.
simple as well. You don't
Yeah,
want to
yeah,
complicate it.
yeah, sure. That's also an
Sometimes,
important part for us to be easy to use and very productive, very pragmatic. I don't want something with a million feature, million necessary feature. I want just the exact necessary.
and can you like give me an estimate, like when is it gonna be ready for production?
Well, seeing the potential that I have not till now, I have not used Claude Code that much for my projects, but when I take it with this, I think I will finish it in like say 3 weeks or something, because it's not really there is not. But there is one thing also about engineering: you cannot estimate when do you finish something. You think it's easy, but when you try to do it, actually, it's. I think you can do it quickly, but when you actually get your hands with it, it takes a time that you didn't expect. But I believe it will be when I start working on it fully. It will take me like 3 weeks to get something actually working fully. It works now though. It's now it can. I wanted to show you something. It works really. The proxy works. You see, I have intercepted the. You see the date here, 2026. I
When you
have
search the now for,
so let me show you something actually. See,
is it connected to your browser or?
yeah, I can connect it to the browser. Let me show. Oh, okay, I cannot do it here because. But you see this curl command, curl for sending network traffic.
Yeah.
You know, so when so this is a post request, but I'm proxying through it, the proxy.
Okay.
I'm setting the proxy to be it, and yeah, so it's example.com. It should now show me example.com here. Normally it shows it directly, but you see that it did show it to me, and
Yeah.
you see, for example, when I put instead of hi here, let's say vanilla, it should normally show it here. It didn't. There is a bug there, but it should show it. Wait a minute.
Last one probably.
Yeah, this is not getting updated. This is not getting updated for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, it's it's a bit slow for some reason. Yeah, it used to work at some point, but now it's not working. But anyways, it's actually intercepting the request. You see, 2026
Yeah.
5:30, and at the exact time. So it's the request that I've sent in here. And you can just take a browser. It's the way Burp does it. Take
Yeah.
a browser and set the proxy to be the it's already listening, and you will get all the traffic here. You see all the traffic from the browser here. So that's it.
That's interesting, actually.
Hopefully it goes well. So
We're leaving in like 4 minutes. I am at 32. That is my progress. What about you?
I am at 48.
48. Nice.
But I think I should end the stream at 21 because I don't want it to be super long.
Okay.
Okay, so you are at what? Where are you now?
32. Like I'm still in the structures.
Ah, yeah, those are not. I remember there is one trick that you. I don't know if you'll see it on the book or elsewhere, but hey, there is also one thing. Do you check? There is another useful thing. There is another directory called solutions. It gets updated by the recommended solution, by their solution. Did you understand what I mean?
No. Like
So
inside the wrestling?
yeah, inside the directory there is inside the wrestling root directory, there is exercises and there is solutions.
Okay, I didn't check these.
Yeah, exercise is the place where you code, you used to code, and solutions is gets updated when you solve one thing, when you solve an exercise.
Seriously. Do they update them with my solutions?
With their solution, so you can check what you did right. What's the best way of solving something? You see.
Why do they get updated? That's what I don't get.
They get updated when you solve an exercise, when you successfully solve it.
Ah, okay, gotcha.
The corresponding file in the directory, in the solutions directory, gets updated with the correct solution. It's actually initially initially it doesn't contain anything.
Okay.
But it will get updated by the solution from the rustling creators. Okay.
I can see there is another one, target. What is that one?
Yeah, that's used. Do you have it actually? I don't know.
Markers.
You have target directory with you.
I have it. It has.
Yeah. It's for
hash
I
debug.
think the editor.
Yeah.
It's an artifact of the compiler
Rustling,
Rust
I think,
analyzer.
because there's a caching thing.
Yeah. It's an artifact of the what is it called? The LSP, Rust analyzer. The one that checks that shows you errors in the editor.
Is it?
Hmm?
Created by Cargo. Yeah, it is. Information about cache directory. Yeah. There's the cache directory.tag, and it has basically a cache.
Yep.
Interesting. And what about the debug there?
Yeah, everything there in target is created by the what is it called? The Rust analyzer. It's the one in your editor that shows you errors and hints and
Yeah, like if you check targets, you get to see. I mean, I
files.
get to see all all the files that I have
Yeah.
run.
Yeah, exactly.
So cool. What time is it? Oh yeah. Okay. It was really a fun thing to do. And it's good also to do it together so that I can get motivated to complete it. So these live streams are really nice thing.
Yeah. That's the objective.
Thank you so much. Have a nice evening.
Okay, you're going.
Yes, I'll get going now.
Okay. Thank you for
Okay.
coming.
Thank you for streaming. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so Shmizel, what do we need? Options 2. Simple option to do make this an if that statement. Okay. Okay, that's done. Well, that's okay. So, okay. So why is that the case? wait. دي كنت ماني كان هذا ما عندي هذا البروبليم فما دمت عني مشغلة مرة ثانية ما تقدر اكسد اوكي I see nice by the way آه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم كعرف اوكي ah okay, so this is Samsung nice okay errors um nice hey we got some live shit or not we got a live viewer let me do something no need okay this function refuses to generate text to be printed on a name tag if you pass it an empty string. This function refuses to generate text to be printed on a name tag if you pass it an empty string. This function refuses to generate text to be printed on a name tag if you pass it an empty string. To be nice, it'd be nice if it explained what the problem was instead of just returning no. Thankfully, Rust has a similar construct to option that can be used to express error conditions. Change the functionality to result. Okay. To result string instead of option string. Okay. So string. It's empty. Will not be empty. Two, three. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, we should return this. Okay. Say writing game where you can buy items with tokens. All items cost 5 tokens. All items cost 5 tokens. And whether you purchase items whenever you purchase items, there is a processing fee of 1 token. Okay. A player of the game will type how many items they want to buy. And the total cost of function will calculate the total cost of items. Mhm. Okay, so I guess I will stop streaming here and I'll continue with myself. Thanks for coming. وقفنا عند second time.